Well, sometimes we're in the woods, like we're hungry. It's late at night. Well, it's getting dinner time. So I prepared, add a couple more rocks, a little fire pit here, where we're going to build ourselves a little fire to cook our meal. Then I found some kindling that we add into the fire pit. We take a couple rocks, as you see here, and we're going to start a spark to get this kindling going. Any second now, I'll get my spark. Sometimes you may not get a spark from the rocks. That may not work. So a couple of sticks is probably the better way to go in that case. You rub these sticks together to create, I've got another spark. It should start any second now. There we go. Finally got it started. Oops, sorry.